going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back once again for another racing video. You guys know how we start off these racing videos like this. Today we actually have a very anticipated racing video between me and one of my boys, Camaro. So yes, guys, I am running a Camaro once again. I think this is going to be like the third Camaro I've ran, and I think this is going to be like the last one. So a little bit, so I get tuned and start doing like performance mods. I just want to see what the car can do stock. And like I said in the last video, let me put up these windows. Like I said in the last video, these freaking Camaro owners are vicious, man. They want to come after me. So yeah, you know, I'm down for a friendly run, so why not? But yeah, fun runs with my boy in Mexico. Like I said, it was like anticipated because we've been planning, and we actually already ran it once before. But it wasn't really good races. We went at a really bad time. Tijuana in Mexico was really packed, so there was literally no point of me even like uploading those videos. But like I did have them, but there's just no point, guys. So today we finally set up after like 2-3 weeks of planning. We finally got a perfect day that we're both off. We could go do our things in Mexico, and that's what we're gonna go do today. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go get the little cameraman, you know, get that good footage for you guys. You guys know you guys love that good footage. I gotta get those angles, everything, you guys know. And yeah, it's a pretty wet Camaro. You guys are gonna see this dude has it like modded to the max. So like I am not expecting a W today at all. And yeah, you guys gonna see this dude's car is freaking crazy. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go do that, and I'll pick you guys up in a little bit. All right, you guys, so we're here. And I think he's here, so let's go see what's up. All right. Oh man, look who it is, y'all. Look who it is. Sheesh.
I'm like really on no gas.
My boy, I know I had no gas either coming over here. I had to pump for a little bit. What's up, bro? How we doing? How we doing? I gotta get a little intro for this.
I didn't wash it.
Hey, it's good. Mine's not clean either, bro.
It rained yesterday too.
Damn.
So I like touched up the wheels a little bit. You know,
yeah.
The curb rash is painted a little bit.
Painted a little bit.
So it doesn't look like too.
Okay. But
I'm getting them redone for like $575. Oh. They're gonna sand everything down, and then they're gonna paint it gloss black.
Oh, that's gonna look nice, bro. That's gonna look. I actually seen some on my Facebook Market, some gloss black ones just like yours. Were yours matte black? Yours are matte black, huh?
Matte black.
Yeah.
Just saw a dust on it.
Yeah.
Brake dust is a bitch on this. Right
yeah, now. I seen them pop up on my Facebook, but they were gloss black ones. I was like, oh, that's just like my boys, just like
really?
that. Yeah. So it's like, damn.
Here.
I know.
That don't look like normal cups either, bro.
That ass, huh?
They're really geared up.
Look at this. Looking fly, bro. I love it. I love it every time, bro. I see it. Every time. This thing is freaking crazy, guys.
They're probably like, they're about to go downtown.
Oh, bro, I hope. Shit. That ass. Not with these. Guys, it's gonna be a good one. Sheesh. Look at that wing. Damn, boys. So you're gonna hand me the L today, huh, bro? That's all it is, huh? He's gonna hand me the freaking L today.
There is a lot of Camaros running your
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're the third one already, bro.
Like almost 4 Camaros.
Yeah, this the what's it called? I was telling him, I was like, bro, this is like the third, fourth Camaro I've ran. I was like, they're vicious, bro. You guys are vicious, bro. Why are you guys after me like this?
Mustang guy.
Damn. You're gonna have to pop the hood for the boys for the one time, bro. You gotta get a little.
Like a cop comes. All right, you getting snake wrap.
All right, guys, he's about to pop the hood. We're gonna see what this supercharged. We're gonna see the supercharged NOS in the back, bottle in the back, 50 shot.
See the supercharged.
Sheesh, look at that, boys. Damn.
A little dirty.
Hey, you're chilling, bro.
From dusting so many cars. No, I'm just kidding.
Damn, guys. All right, bro. So you want to get a little? What you got on this?
So we got an MSD atomic manifold.
Okay.
Then we got a BBK throttle body, 92 mm.
All right.
We got cold induction quarter intake. and then I just gotta get it tuned.
So no tune?
transmission,
No tune yet? Okay, okay.
So once I get it tuned, then I'll really utilize all the stuff that I already put on.
So basically when you get the tune, it's gonna be even more over.
Yeah, way more over.
Way, like you're just gonna be dusting everybody like even more.
Pretty much.
All right, cool,
And then,
cool.
Future plans, E85,
Okay.
Cook's headers.
All right.
And then no cats. And then yeah. It should be good. Almost
This thing is gonna scream.
Almost
That's all I had to freaking say, bro.
That's my goal, just do 500, bro.
Damn, bro, you're gonna be pushing. I feel like you're gonna be pushing that easily, bro.
Yeah.
And then you got what? Auto.
Yep.
Auto. All right. So the guys, this is an auto. What is it? Like a 7? Is it 7 auto? 8-speed automatic.
Yeah, 8-speed.
All right. So that's an 8-speed automatic. Mine's a 6-speed manual. So the driver mod is gonna have to. I'm gonna have to try to do my best today, bro. You know, try to catch up. But
practicing, man.
yeah, you know, practicing slowly, you know. So we're gonna see. We're gonna get some runs in. And you said what? 40, 50, 60, and then we'll see from there.
Yep, sounds good.
All right, sounds good, bro. Sounds good. So let's go. Let's get running it. Yeah, same road over there. Let's go. Damn. All right, boys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we're on our way to Mexico. Gonna give the camera to the cameraman, get that good footage for you guys. So it all relies on her. Yes, it all relies on her today. So she's filming this. You guys can blame her if it's not good. But yeah, let's go to Mexico, guys. What do you want to do, 50? right, you guys. Made it back from Mexico. Let's go see. My boy. Bro. Bro, you made a fat comeback, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Bro, you was dusting me every fucking time.
I suck at pedal shifting.
Yeah?
My
dude.
boy taught me a trick, man.
Yeah?
So
he showed you?
Let me tell you what I do.
Alright, let me see them tricks.
So we go to the second gear, right?
Mm-hmm.
And first one, since like Mopar cars,
yeah.
If you don't shift, it automatically goes to automatic.
Okay.
My car doesn't do that.
Oh, okay,
it
okay.
Just stops. It doesn't stop the car, but it slows it down, saying shift missed.
Gotcha.
Which sucks. So what I do is first I'm driving automatic, right?
Mm-hmm.
By the race, put it in manual.
Put it in manual.
Shift it to second. I can use it.
And then change it back to drive, huh?
Yeah. So
yeah. Okay.
Smash it. Let the 2 RPM almost maxed out.
Exactly.
And then switch it to automatic, and then it's just from there.
Yeah.
It's just instant boost.
That's exactly what a lot of Mustang owners do with their automatics. They put it in sport, and then they they downshifted themselves to the right gear, and then just switch it back to drive.
And it just,
bro, it made a huge difference.
I mean, before we were like side by side.
Yes. So last time, guys. Yeah. So last time we both raced, like. We were like, I was getting you way more on those. I was getting you way more, but I feel like it's because you didn't really know your car, like how to learn it.
Remember I told you I was shifting way faster than before the whole gear went out.
Exactly. Yeah, guys. So he
right away.
Yeah. So he wasn't really sure, like and you got a whole new setup too.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's kind of like he didn't really like know exactly the way the car was best at the RPMs, but now. Bro, you was dusting shit. No, the plan is though this summer. In a few, like two more months, bro, I'm gonna get on E.
Yep.
I'm gonna get on E. I'm gonna get tuned. Intake.
Yep.
I'm gonna just rock that for a little bit.
That should give you.
Yeah, that's gonna give me a cool. That's gonna be a cool power, cause the 10-speed. I raced the 10-speed like the other day, on Saturday, and all he had was E85 and a tune. Bro, dusted me. Dusted me. So. I mean, it's not gonna be as fast as a 10-speed, obviously, because mine's a 6-speed.
Exactly.
But like, I mean, it should give it a little more power though. So we should be chilling. But we got some good races, bro. Damn, my boy, the boy revealed himself. That's the freaking ZL1, bro. This ain't no SS. Come on now. Damn, guys.
Bro, I think I can take that catch up.
I thought I was gonna catch up a little more, but I was like, that shit just kept going, dude. Yeah, I heard it. It was going. It was going. Damn, bro, this thing is quick. This thing is quick.
I can't wait to push like 800, bro.
You're over here like messing with my stock, bro. My stock ass, bro. Hey, come on.
And you still do pretty good.
Yeah, I feel like
I'm not like leaving you like all the way gap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
On some you did it though. On your 40 and 50.
Oh, that. Yeah,
you were gone, bro. You were gone.
Because the other ones I did on third.
Oh, okay.
So I was hitting.
I feel like 60. I was keeping up a little more.
Yeah.
On the 60, like a little more, but
60 I messed up because I put it to automatic way too quick.
Gotcha.
Before even. It already hit the red line and it canceled my shift, and then I put in automatic, and then it slowed it down.
Oh, gotcha.
You know that you win.
Yeah. On that first one, I was pretty gone. I was like, oh damn, like okay. But then the second one we ran, you were just. I was like, okay, my boy got it down. Hey, but at the end of the day, I mean, it's all fun, bro. You know, like, hey, at least I come out, bro. Like,
a lot of guys.
Honestly, dude, exactly, bro. Cause like. That's what I say, like, I'm stock. So, I mean, I feel like a lot of guys wouldn't even be like,
exactly.
I don't really care, bro. I mean, I get more content. I get more content. It's fun, bro. We get to show the whips. Like, come on now, bro. Like, shoot. But give me time. She'll be modded. She'll be modded. But, bro, that thing was lit, bro. That thing was. Hit this real quick. All right, you guys. So, we got back from Mexico. Got some fun runs in. The 5.0 did good. I can't get mad at it. Can't get mad at it. It's a little stock baby. They dusted our doors off today, but it's all good. Came out to race, and that's all that matters, you know? I love doing this. It's fun. He's got way more stuff than mine, so, you know, I'm just happy I came out. Got some little fun runs in. Little Sunday fun day in Tijuana, you know, the vibes. Tijuana in Mexico. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a fat like. Comment, subscribe, join the fam if you guys want to see more videos like this, many more to come. But like I said at the beginning of the video, I think that might be the last Camaro I run, because I ran a lot of Camaros. This is already like the 4th one, so I think I'm cool running Camaros for like a little bit. I might run something else. Like, so yeah, if you guys liked it, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.